Yo, Minecraft crew, welcome to 1 Minute It Shot. Want to show or hide your heart in Minecraft on your PC in 2025? This few-minute guide's super quick. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Launch Minecraft and go to Options. Click Controls, then Keybinds. Make sure F1 isn't assigned to anything else, or this won't work. Back in game, press F1 on your keyboard, and boom, your heart and HUD toggle on or off. That's it. You're a Minecraft pro. Drop your favorite HUD trick in the comments. Peace out and keep gaming.